This next basic is going to be called carves or stirs. You're going to start in a shoulder hip position, left hand at the end cap, right hand underneath the tape. Second position, you can fit a small person between you and your flag and standing up tall. So the first count is going to be just a sharp hit out of your belly button. 1. From the side, it looks like this. 1. Okay? And I'm squeezing when I get to the top. You can see my flag kind of falls behind. 1. From here, I'm going to cross my arms big time. Really cross, okay? And really try to stay at the end cap. That's very important, even if you have short arms like me. Okay? Cross on 6, 7. You're going to come straight back on top of your head like this. And then 8, you're going to hit this 45 on the other shoulder hip angle. So with counts, that is going to be hit 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Move 6, 7, 8. Again from the top, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, move 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I'm at this big shoulder hip angle with air in my armpits. Next, you're going to do the same thing on the bottom. So you want to imagine that you have a pencil on the top end cap and you're drawing a big circle on the ceiling, and then we're going to draw a big circle on the floor. So this is 8. You are going to hit on the bottom. 9. Same idea here. This is a hit and hold. From here, it goes down to 45. This is not a scoop. Okay? It goes down to 45 like so. From here, this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, cross the arms. 15, come in as close to your legs, as close as you can. 16, back to shoulder hip. Okay? From the side, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And you will do that 2 times. So you'll go up, down, again, up, down. Okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit. 2, 3, 4, 5. Move 6, 7, 8, and hit. 2, 3, 4, 5. Move 6, 7, again, hit. 2, 3, 4, 5. Move 6, 7, 8, and hit. 2, 3, 4, 5. Move 6, 7, 8. That is chapter 1. There are 3 chapters. Chapter 2 looks something like this. It's exactly the same pathway, just faster. So you are still going to hit on 1 and squeeze. And then you're not going to hold anymore, and you're just going to go 2, 3, 4. Then the same thing on the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, hit 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Very important is this hit, the first one on each side. Okay? It's not an accent, it's a hit and a squeeze. Squeeze, move, squeeze, move. Okay? It's a stop and then go. Stop and then go. That is chapter 2. You'll do 2 on top and bottom. So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit. 2, 3, 4. Hit 6, 7, 8. Hit 2, 3, 4. Hit 6, 7, 8. That is chapter 2. So those 2 chapters go one right after the other. This is kind of a long exercise. From here, chapter 3, normal carve stirs. It's basically the way we actually do it, but just making sure it's with good technique. So in the first 2 chapters, we really worked on making these big circles, big as you can because your feet are in the way. Chapter 3 is going to be 2 count carves, so just like normal, 1 and 2, okay? But I want it to be a big circle. I don't want it to look like this, okay, or this. I want it to be a big all the way around top and bottom. So you're gonna do that for 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? If you were in winter guard, I had you do 16. It's going to be 8 now. So you're welcome. Chapter 1, 2, and 3 all together look like this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, move 6, 7, 8, and hit 2, 3, 4. 5, move 6, 7, 8, hit 2, 3, 4. 5, move 6, 7, 8, hit 2, 3, 4. 5, move 6, 7, 8, hit 2, 3, 4. Hit 6, 7, 8, hit 2, 3, 4, hit 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. You should end exactly where you started. Shoulder hip, left hand tap, right hand tape. Nice and tall. You can fit a tiny person between you and your flag. All the good stuff. Now, there is a transition, but I will teach it when we are face to face. And then we will do the same thing on the left, okay? So same thing, just mirrored. Hit on the top, really cross on 6, 7, 8. Hit on the bottom, really cross the arms, 6, 7, 8. Do that twice, so that's 2 16s. Then you'll go hit, move, 3, 4, and hit. 6, 7, 8, and hit. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay? So just every phrase just gets faster and faster. On chapter 3, your checkpoints are going to be cross on 1, back to the angle on 2, and then cross and back, and cross and back. Okay? Even though you're going from here to here, I still want it to be this circle pathway. So you're still going out. So it's not really just a hit. Nice and small. You don't want it to be small. You want it to be big and big and big. Okay, so that is carves or stirs. And there is a transition, but I'll teach it to you later.